So we're going to do some math to convert our pressure from weather.com to pascals that we need for PV equals nRT. So weather.com gave us, oopsie, hold on, I goofed already. Not 26, 29. So we were given 29.67 inches of mercury. So pressure here in the United States, because we're a little backwards sometimes, we measure in inches of mercury. So in our barometers, the mercury is going to rise when the atmospheric pressure is higher, and we're measuring in inches of mercury up the barometer instead of millimeters of mercury like the rest of the world. So our first step is going to be to get from inches to millimeters. I happen to know that there are 2.54 centimeters in 1 inch. I know that because I Googled it. But we don't want just centimeters, we want millimeters. I know that there are 10 millimeters in every 1 centimeter. So a little bit of dimensional analysis, we get rid of our inches and our centimeters. We're left with millimeters of mercury. And my calculator tells me that 29.67 times 2.54 times 10 is going to give us 753. 0.618. I'm going to convert that to just these 3 sig figs. 754 millimeters of mercury. But I need pascals for PV equals nRT. So I'm going to take my 754 millimeters of mercury. I need to convert it to pascals. What we know about conversion factors for pressure here on Earth, 1 atmosphere of pressure, which is the pressure of the atmosphere at Earth's surface at sea level, is equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. It is also equal to 101 point, oh gosh, where did I write that down? 101,325, sorry, 101,325 pascals. My scratch paper got lost. How do I know this? I just Googled it. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of my millimeters of mercury. I'm going to put millimeters of mercury on the bottom of my little chunk of dimensional analysis. I'm going to put my pascals on the top. And then I'm going to multiply across the top, divide by the bottom. 754 times 101,325 pascals divided by 760 millimeters of mercury gives us 100,525 pascals. With sig figs, we're going to keep 101,000 pascals. And there's what we'll plug in for the P, and P equals nRT.